Welcome back, everybody, and a warm welcome to all the new subscribers. Let me tell you what's going on here. I had that adobo or marinade already made. I use it in another recipe, so I'm adding 3 more ingredients to make it for carne asada. I always like to repurpose food that I had already made. I added olive oil, apple cider, and the juice of 1 lime. You might be wondering what's in the adobo, right? While you are here, don't forget to subscribe. For the adobo, I use half of a large onion, half of a red bell pepper, 3 garlic cloves. In addition to that, I added 1 tablespoon of pimentón de la vera or smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of dry oregano, another one of dry thyme, and half a teaspoon of dry dill. You can also add cumin if you want. At the beginning, you saw me adding lime to the adobo, but you can also mix it with the juice of half an orange, and that will be instead of using bitter orange. I also added 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, half a cup of apple cider instead of orange juice. The reason for that is that I am making it in the fall, so I want to use what's available to me in the farmer's market. And the sweetness of the apple cider will caramelize better the carne asada, particularly if you're making it in the barbecue. I also added some dried chile to that skirt steak before putting it in the Pyrex, and I marinated it in the fridge for a whole day. Now I'm going to give you 2 ways of making it. You can add it directly to a very hot pan and cook it for 3 minutes on one side and 1 minute on the other side, cooking them one steak at a time. That way it will caramelize a lot better, as you can see here. By the way, I served it with yellow rice and Cuban beans. You can find both of those recipes in my channel as well. Once the meat is cooked, you can chop it into smaller pieces and make carne asada tacos. That's another idea. The other way of making is add some oil to the pan. You might want to use corn, canola, or grapeseed oil because they have a higher smoking point. Now, if you crowd the pan like I did, the beef will steam instead of sear, but it will be juicier. Hope you enjoyed the video. Chaito, try it, taste it, and let me know in the comments. Bye.